friends, welcome back to the channel once again. That is your channel JEE Physics. So we are discussing 2026 JEE Advanced Physics Paper 1 solution. This is question number 4 and let us see. So here basically they are saying the double convex lens made of glass, refractive index 1.5, radius of curvature, curved surface 20 centimeter is immersed in a liquid of refractive index NL. So the medium here is the liquid medium. The correct plot showing variation of the power in units diopter. So you have to be careful here. Here it is given in diopter. Here the radius of curvature is given in centimeter. Anyway, so before doing this question, we will quickly discuss some basic. Basic is power of a refracting surface. So if you think about the power of a refracting surface, if I take quickly, so this is the refracting surface. I assume that on this side refractive index is, let us say, mu1. On this refractive index is mu2. And I consider that a ray of light is traveling from mu1 to mu2. Then just a quick depiction, because we need this particular idea over here. So here power of the refracting surface becomes mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. Now when you are using a double convex lens, so for double convex lens, this idea will be twice, because there will be two refractions for the two surfaces, right? For the two surfaces. So thereby this power of the lens will become mu2 minus mu1 into 2 by r. So just keep it in your mind before proceeding for the next step of the solution, right? Now, when I write the lens equation, lens makers formula, what we write? We write 1 by F equivalent is equal to refractive index of the lens by refractive index of the medium minus 1 into 2 by R. This is our formula. This is the lens makers formula. Okay, please pay attention. Otherwise, you might get distracted and you will do a very common mistake over here, silly mistake over here. So power of the lens P is equal to mu of the medium divided by F. Please make no mistake. It is not 1 by F. It is 1 by F when it is kept in air. Here it is basically, here it is a liquid medium. So it has to be mu of medium divided by F. Correct? Make no mistake over here. So how much power is coming? So P, 1 by F is already given here. So you can check. So here if I multiply by mu m, it will be cancelled. Mu m is cancelled. So it is coming mu of the lens minus 1 into mu of the lens minus 1 into 2 by, since power is expressed in diopter, so I have to take this radius of curvature r 20 centimeter in meter we will take. So this will become 0.2. So this will be mu L minus 1. I'm sorry, this will be mu L minus mu M. This will be mu M. Yeah. So quickly going through this calculation, here you can check, it will become mu L minus mu M by mu M into 2 by R. So mu M gets cancelled. So it is mu lens minus mu medium into 10. So what is the value we got? Value is equal to mu L minus mu M into 10. So this is the working formula that we get for the power. Now what are the values provided over here? Let us check. They have given the liquid of refractive index NL and refractive index of the lens is 1.5. So this equation is turning out to be P is equal to mu of the lens is 1.5 minus mu of the liquid medium, mu of the liquid into 10. So clearly guys, you can check that this equation is a straight line equation. It's a straight line equation. So hence the answer is going to be only 1. There is only one straight line visible over here. If you take, there is a reminder, if you take the power to be 1 by F, you are going to get the wrong answer, and that wrong answer will be a rectangular hyperbola like this. So be careful here. This is an alert. Your answer is here B. Why? The power is equal to mu of the medium divided by F. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, then please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.